first, I must kill his camera. Hi, Stan. Alright, Alf.
Hello, Wayne.
How you doing, man?
Come and play though, I've been...
Alright, I'm just, Alright. I know you're in here somewhere, little camcorder. Oh, fuck. Where are you? No, I checked in there. He loves you. So if you love something, where would he put it? In bed with him, of course. Oh, yeah. Huh? What the fuck are you? A cat. They stink. Where are you? There you are. Oh, yeah. Now I've got to get out. Don't you dare tell anyone, Felix. Don't you fucking dare. Easy. Wait here, right, Al?
Yeah?
I'm just I'm just have to, I'm just gonna check the camera. Will you just sit down now?
Yeah.
Sit down. Look at the weather now. Oh, yeah. Let's go, babe. That way. No.
I don't think I agree to right?
I'm just off to check on camera, right?
On camera?
It's nice to see you, bud.
You got a camera up there?
Yeah, it's a sleeping bed now. I'll see you in a bit, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't believe Stan's here. Camera's gone missing! Where's it? Where's the camera?
Do it, Wayne. Please be alone, please.
Oh, should have phoned the police! Should have phoned the police! Oh! Where's the phone? Where's the phone? Get in there! Is that the police? Yeah, I want to report kidnapping. Yeah, it's the camera. I think it's been kidnapped. I'm not pissing about. I'm not pissing about. Hello? Ow! What am I gonna do?
Wait, what have to do?
Did you pussy? You sent me something here? Did you send this up?
No, boy.
What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do?
Pinch it.
No, kettle playing with.
I'm sorry, Al. That camera means the world to me. What are you laughing at, you sick bastard?
No. It's there, though.
You fucking...
I'm off. Lay down. Lay down.
Put it in your way, get warm.
You were sleeping. You can't move without someone moving. How could this have happened? Fucking cunt. Gonna let down. And think about all the good times. Where are you?
Swaying room as the music starts, strangers making the most of the dark. Two by two their bodies become one. I see you through the smoky air. Can't you feel the weight of my stare? You're so close but still a world away. What I'm dying to say is that I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's all brand new. You're feeling it like it. I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you. Trying hard to control my heart. I walk over to where you are. Eye to eye, we need no words at all. Slowly now we begin to move. Every breath I'm deeper into you. Soon we two are standing still in time. If you read my mind, you see I'm crazy for you. I'm crazy for you. Crazy for
Yeah.
you.
Everything will be okay.
Crazy for you.
Yeah. It'll be alright.